This course provides students with an understanding and practical experience in how philanthropy can create social change.
They get out of the classroom and they do site visits all over New York City. It's like New York City is really, another arm of Columbia Business School.
Students identify organizations tackling social challenges and analyze how their philanthropic dollars will help fund solutions to key issues.
What I like about the structure of the course is that it mimics exactly what a philanthropist would be contemplating in terms of picking a nonprofit in the sector that they would like to make a difference.
The students then evaluate the nonprofits through a due diligence process. Based on their research, each team chooses a nonprofit to receive a $25,000 grant and then presents their findings to the class at the end of the semester.
One thing I took away from the Effective Philanthropy course was that it is a lot of work to build a philanthropic strategy for success and investing in highly successful nonprofits.
The team with the best-in-class analysis receives an additional $25,000 to give to their nonprofit for a total of $50,000. This course is designed to provide students with a rigorous understanding and practical experience in how philanthropy invests in social change in an urban context.